Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Gmail account phone number verification error. Alright, let's begin. First of all, make sure that your device's airplane mode is turned off or you won't be able to use the internet without interruptions. Another thing you need to do is to connect to a more stable internet connection. Either change your Wi-Fi network or switch to mobile data. After that, open the Settings app on your mobile device and navigate to the App Management section. Inside it, search for Gmail and open it up. Here, go to Storage and then clear all of the cache and app data. This will log you out of your existing account's Sun Gmail. Once done, go to the Permissions tab and allow all of the available permissions. Now check if the problem is solved. If it still persists, try changing the mobile number and your problem will be fixed hopefully. So that's basically how you can fix Gmail account phone number verification error. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.